Hello guys, my name is Sam and I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be just doing an everyday makeup look. Are y'all ready? This is going to be like a natural everyday look that you can use on a daily basis. This is not going to be a full glam. This is something like a quick look you could do for school or something. You know me, I am a full coverage queen, but today we're going to go in with some light coverage, but let's say light to medium coverage. We ain't going to go into like light coverage. We're going to go to light to medium coverage. I'm going to be using the Fit Me foundation. This is like a very, I love this formula, and it's watery, but this is right here is the best drugstore foundation that I think is out there, and this is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is in the shade Mocha 360, and I love this to death, and this is what I started with from the ground to up till I started getting my high-end makeup. So we're just going to put some of her on the back of my hand, and we're just going to go in like I used to. I miss this foundation so much, but you know, I'm a full coverage queen, and she's not really full coverage. So I'm just going to take a beauty blender. This is about $20 at Sephora or online. And I'm just going to take it, I'm just going to dab it into the skin. I'm just going to take it all over. Okay, I'm just going to bounce it into the skin. We don't want to put too much on because we're trying to go for an everyday makeup look. I mean, by all means, if your everyday makeup look is full coverage like me, because the reason I do a full coverage, I do beauty videos, and I have to have that coverage so I can look beautiful, and I love to have that cakiness. Not really cakey, you know what I mean. I know how to put it on without making it look cakey. Look at this, girl. You can't tell me this don't look good. This video is basically showing you that you can get any kind of foundation and make it work with like your everyday makeup look. You don't have to have a high-end foundation. You don't have to have an expensive foundation. I think this foundation is like around $5 or $6 at my local Walmart and Walgreens. So why get a high-end foundation when you can just go to your local Walmart and get you some Fit Me? Look how it looks. It has that, it looks good, yes. I'm gonna be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This right here is my tried and true. I've been loving her. I haven't used her in a while because I've been using my Tart, my Shark Take shade. And I'm just gonna take her under the eyes. We're not gonna put too much because we wanna cover up those bags that we haven't slept because, you know, we're having anxiety, nervousness, and stuff like that. And we're just gonna take a different sponge or the same sponge, whatever you wanna do, and you just wanna blend it into its spot. I'm gonna work under the eyes. Now guys, I'm gonna take the Fit Me setting powder. This is the loose setting powder in deep. I really like this for the under the eyes. So I just take it and I press it under the eyes to set it. Okay, to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna take a powder puff and I'm gonna use the Coty Airspun powder for the small ones on my forehead. This is what the lid looks like of the Coty Airspun. I love using this powder for the rest of my face. It is Coty Airspun Translucent and extra coverage. So I'm just gonna take some on a brush and I'm gonna dab that on the rest of my face. Once you've got that powder on, you want to take a face powder. I'm going to be taking the Fit Me powder in 360, and I'm just going to brush it across my face to make sure I don't get any flashback. Once we got all that done, you just want to go ahead and just bronze up the skin. We're not going to contour, we're just going to bronze up the skin to make it look like a more natural, everyday look. We're not going to contour, just do a little bronzing. Okay, I'm going to be taking my Plato bronzer, and I'm just going to put that all around my face. Chisel these cheekbones. gonna carve out this double chin. Just gonna take it and carve out the nose just a little. Okay, once you got your eyebrows done, you just wanna go ahead and do some eyeshadow. I'm just gonna take like this brown right here in this palette, and I'm just gonna take this brown right here in the corner. And I just wanna go in and I just want to make me deepen up the crease. I take it, I just wanna blend it out. I'm gonna take it all over the lid. Blending brush, and I'm just gonna pack it on the outer V over here. And this look is gonna be very great for brown-eyed people. If you have brown eyes, this is gonna complement you good. So I'm just gonna take this little blending brush right here, and I'm just gonna smoke it out under the lash line as well. Connect it with this up here. Okay guys, since I got this eye done, I'm gonna just go off camera and do this eye, and I'll be right back. I'm just gonna take a little peachy color, and I'm just gonna blend that on top of this brown color into the transition up here. The last is a mascara. So we're just gonna take, and we're not gonna do any falsies, but I promise after this video I will start doing falsie for you guys. But this right here is a natural look. So we're just gonna go in with just mascara. Just wanna make sure you get them bottom lashes as well. Don't neglect them. Do not neglect your bottom lashes. Make sure you get them too. Get them some loving. Okay guys, how you see these lashes? What lip are we gonna go in today? I don't really know. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, girl. First, do we wanna go in with today? We're not gonna go in with red or vampy or the purple. We're trying to go for a more natural look. So, are we trying to try this one? Or are we trying to try this one? Is that too much? Is it too dark? It looks like it's too dark. We can go in with this liquid lipstick. This is from Wet n Wild, I think. This Wet n Wild? Sure. Guys, this is Wet n Wild. So we're just gonna go in with this Wet n Wild lipstick. This is in Coral Corruption. This is a matte liquid lipstick. We're gonna see how she is. Let's see what she smells like. Never tried it before. It smells more like paint, but we're gonna try her out. So let's give this a whirl. So we're just gonna go in and see how pigmented she is. Okay. Okay, I can see the streaks. You cannot see it on camera probably, but I can see it. It is really streaky. Maybe I'll need a lip liner with this. Let me mix a little with this purple with it to darken it up just a little bit. But this is not, it's so, I don't like shading brands, but girl, this is streaky. So guys, we were trying to go for a more natural look with the lipstick that we tried out. Is the first one that I tried was too light. I don't have any lip liners on me at the moment, and they're very sticky. Can you see that? But do you like this look or what? I don't know. Let me just set it and see what I like, if I like it or not. What do you guys think? Well, these lipsticks right here are definitely a no for me. They're a no-go. I don't know why, but they're really sticky. Can you see? Since I got y'all zoomed in, can y'all see it? I don't know why, but you know, You guys want me to review some lipsticks, some liquid lipsticks. I have some Broadway colors. These are some matte liquid lipsticks. If y'all would like me to try these out, I have 3 of them that I got sent. I got 3 of these that was sent to me. So if you want me to try them out, just please let me know in the comments down below. And tell me how this look turned out for you guys. And if this is what you would wear for an everyday makeup look. I know some people don't contour their nose and stuff on an everyday basis. But this is how you would do your brows, your eye makeup, and just some natural wispy, your natural lashes with some of the... What did I use today, girl? I forgot to tell you. This is some of that boss motherfucker. Mascara. This is a Big Shot Colossal Mascara by Maybelline. So if you guys want to get some of that, this is at your local Walmart as well. So most of the stuff that we used in the video today was very affordable. If you want to like this video, just go ahead. If you want to subscribe to my channel, then just go ahead. Thank you for subscribing, and tomorrow I'll be back with a better video. Bye.